Welcome back to 4K Tech. In this video, we're going to show you how to reset your Sony soundbar HT-S100F. So let's get started. First thing you'll want to do is press and hold the power button, the volume up button, and the input button. After holding these three buttons down for more than 5 seconds, all the indicators on the bar speaker will flash 3 times, and the settings will return to their initial status. Unplug the AC cord, plug it back in, and press the power button on the soundbar. And now the Sony soundbar has been reset to factory settings. Please like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications.